Since my MV90 wiring is garbage, this is kind of a fiasco. But as you can tell, the tire is completely flat. And we're gonna have to hardwire it. So the second I plug this in is the second the timer goes.
Here we go.
And
hold on. Ready?
Go. Hey, can you wire that on real quick?
Where's the spinning
On
ring?
my hand.
Sure. I got a little.
Okay. So same test, completely flat to 2 minutes. That ARB isn't any quieter than my superflow.
Superflow is kicking butt though. Look at that, 30 seconds. We're on the ground.
Yeah, I'm guessing it's going to hit about 30.
That thing is moving good. Got 47, 48. And 1 minute right there. We're probably about, I don't know, it's probably over 15 pounds easily.
Yeah, probably right at 15.
Yeah, I'll bet that you can probably hit 30 pounds. Let's see. It's 1 minute 15 seconds. We got 1 minute 20 seconds. And there's 1:30. We're at.
Oh, yeah.
The tire, right? Alright, let me know. I'll let you know when.
Okay.
140. 145. 150. 155. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, let's do this.
Okay, let's see where it's at.
Here is the moment of truth. Pressure gauge is engaging. Here we go. And we are at 22 pounds.
No kidding.
22, pretty much dead on.
It's exactly the same. Wow. Well, there you have it. Those compressors are the same price.
Those are?
Within 50 bucks.
How is that possible?
Well, that one's 200. That one is 250.
Why would you pay that much for something that's the same speed and twice as big?
Well, that is the question. It is the same speed and it's twice as big.
That
There
thing
you
is
go.
fast. I told you it was fast. I
I'm
thought that
impressed.
would be faster though. 'Cause
I
it's
thought
so
it
big.
is big. Okay.